workshops. Okay, people from our batch conducted a workshop on MS Excel, only MS Excel, starting from all the functions. This is one of the functions. Okay, so starting from all the functions, we had everybody was sitting with a laptop. We had that what we call it, swipe, what we call it, that extension board. Spike card, correct. So we had multiple spike cards, in the corridor and in the classroom also, and everybody was hooked on the laptop. We had shared a sheet with the formulae, and the person was demonstrating the formulae here, and everybody was doing it on the software itself. Understood? Do it, otherwise it's going to be difficult. Okay, you have to know Excel. There cannot be any other alternative. Right? You are moving to summers. In summers, it is expected. You cannot say कि मौसम मुझे नहीं आता है. Right? Okay. Have you read this book by any chance? Do you know this book? Yeah. Anybody? No. Nobody. Nobody reads book. Nobody. Okay. See, this if you happen to just read this book, Good to Great by James Collins. The difference. What is the difference between good to great? For example, there are great MBA institutions, very few, but there are very. But then those are more in number. Am I right? Correct. So if you want to go from here to here, and you should be, correct. We'll move on to the next slide. This was I would say a sentence which appeared in Forbes website, Forbes.com. Recently it had appeared. So what does it say? Good managers listen, great managers ask questions. So where you want? Which category you want? Then it does not seem to be. Correct? So the message here is, many of you would be good, but if you want to come to this category, ask questions. The advantage of asking questions is you come into the limelight. Number one, you get into the visibility. Okay, whether here or you go into any forum, any session, you get into the visibility. Correct? People will take you seriously. Are you getting it? But then the most important thing is don't keep on asking questions for the sake of asking questions. In the sense, just to demonstrate that you are great. Don't keep on asking questions. What do we mean by this? Is think before asking question whether you can yourself find the answer to it or no. For example, if you are in the session, okay, we are open, we are combined, so you can show your true colors. Correct. So there is no issue. But then when you are at a forum where your personality or where your position is at stake, ask questions, good questions, and if you don't ask questions, you would be in this category. Nobody will, as I told you, there are many great institutions, but more good institutions. So if you want to be of this category, you'll have to stand out. You have to come into the visibility. Correct? So after this slide, can we expect that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come out of your inhibition of asking anything, whatever you want. And we will in the course of time we will rectify. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, good to great. You want to add? He had, they had done one project, or I would say as a part of business process guide. He will share on that previous slide.
Before that, I think stay on the slide. I think I'll give you one example of like kind of conference calls. I joined the Sindhika at that time. The very second day I was into a conference call. There was some project they were discussing. I didn't know what is happening and everything. So and that was my project which I was supposed to take over. And then they were talking about something I didn't know, I didn't ask, and I thought like I'll ask someone, or maybe I'll take it afterward. Call was for just 1 hour, and that was the only call that I was supposed to have. I didn't ask any question, and for like almost 1 month I was struggling to get the answer for all the queries, and that was right platform. So that was the regret I had in 1 month, and after that, no, I said no way. Even if that is a stupid question, you should ask that question then and there. And everyone, maybe if you are having that call and there are 5 people, that question would be in everyone's mind, but nobody would ask that question. So even if you ask that question, you will get the answer. At the same time, other four will also get that answer. So don't be shy. Ask that question. Nobody will think that that is a stupid question. I think maybe the way you ask the question would be different. Like maybe just say like I might sound stupid, but I need to understand that before going further. So that's the way. But ask questions. So that's I think a very good point that Prabhu mentioned about great managers. So I think you are all great managers. Maybe would be very competitive. So ask questions. Going back to the previous slide.
The camera needs mic. If you can please use the mic.
Sort of problem. Okay, so I think good to great.
Good to great. So is a kind of a used as a tool as well. I'll tell you 2 steps before good as well. So there are could do more, did just enough, good and great. So the way it goes is like from good to great because we expect everyone to be did just enough. I'll explain that with an example. In my organization, we had a concept of we had one vendor where we outsource our call centers. So in our call centers, what we do is we expect our callers to understand the queries from the customer and then resolve the queries. So in that, what we used to happen is they sometimes used to answer, sometimes not. Then we thought of having a kind of a questionnaire, a script, or maybe a kind of a audit sheet. So we gave them gave them that audit sheet. So they were supposed to kind of like take the flow according to that audit sheet. After some time, it happened. They were like monotonous. Welcome to British Gas, and then blah blah blah, and then again a script. So even customers were not happy with that. So what we thought, give them the freedom to talk to the customer the way they want to talk to the customer. We said we'll just observe you on 4 parameters, that is could do more, did just enough, good and great. Within those 4 categories only. If the outcome of the call is like customer is satisfied, all the queries resolved, you are good. If all the queries are satisfied, customer is satisfied, on top of that you have delighted the customer, you are in great category. So that's the way we handle it. And then 2 more categories that we explain about it, like there was an opportunity that he could do better, so could do more, and then that was like the lowest category, could do more. And did just enough was like just in a basic manner. I answered all the queries without any enthusiasm, without any kind of like energy in my conversation. So that was the kind of a did just enough call. So that was that kind of a format, that kind of a tool we implemented, and the results were fabulous. We had NPS scores, that is Net Promoter Score. I'm not sure if anyone have heard of that term. So Net Promoter Score is on that basis we judge the call center. So we used to judge our vendor basis the NPS scores. NPS is like how many out of 10, how many were talking positive about the company, how many were talking negative about the company, and how many were neutral. So 1 to 7 is in negative category, 8 is neutral, and 9 and 10 is positive. So according to that, there is a calculation. If anyone is interested, I'll explain that to you afterwards. So that is the NPS. So we used to kind of judge them on those parameters. So this is good to great. So we don't want to be into first 2 categories. Just completely wipe that from your mind and start with good. So you all are good. Only thing is there are exceptional things that you need to do. Like we talked about 4 values. So have those values and you'll definitely fall into great categories. In MBA Institute, you just need to learn some basic things. Technical things are there, like you can maybe just put down on your notepad and refer that after 4 years. Fine with that. But these are the categories that you can learn within the institute, and it will be with you forever. So I think that's the example I wanted to share with you about Good to Great. I think I hope I was able to explain that to you and you understood that. Yeah. Thanks for that. Thank you.
Anybody who is interested to know more can after the session talk to him. Right? Okay. So we have amongst us one more coveted personality, Miss Sneha Gaikwad. She is the most wanted for you all because she is from our HR batch. Okay. 4 years in Zensar she'll be introducing, but I would like to put a feather on her cap. She has been awarded Excellence Awards in Zensar for her HR